Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Leena and these are the headlines. The Congress moves courts demanding that FIR be registered against 10 BJP MLA for forgery of documents. Heavy rains result in houses getting flooded at Gudi Paroda. Local MLA says administration informed month back. Heavy rain from 13 to 15 June. Wet weather for another 6 or so days, says IMD. And now for the news in detail. Heavy rains on Friday resulted in houses getting flooded at Gudi Paroda. Residents had to work throughout the night to remove the water from the houses. Local MLA has alleged that the administration was informed a month back but did nothing.
The Sarpanch along with police opened the blocked way allowing the water to flow out. Salset Mamladar visited the site. The family staying in the house said that if heavy rain occurs, then their house might get flooded again and want the government to take necessary precautions.
वाट करून आडे झाड रोवन व्हडले रूख जाले तेगेले त्या मुडा झाड रोयलो आहाय जाल्यार ही झाडां सगळे 6 म्हयने जाले सांगून लागले कोण एक मनीस एक्शन घेयना जाल्यार आतां तो घर बुडोले रातची 4 लागलो 2 लागलो आमी मारून कोण एक घरा उदक बोल आदल्या घरा उदक म्हणून ती भितर बंद उदक घरा येयले जाल्यार कितें करपाचें आतां येयलो त्या सरपंचाने ओपन केलो आज कोता तेंच्या प्लॉट जाल्यार कितें जालो उदका वाट दवर न्हू तूं जाय सांगिल्लें पयलीं तुगे 15 पायप घालया वयल्यान उदक सोडया 15 उदक सोडया वयल्यान पळया.
The local MLA says that the local Mamladar is not bothered about this issue even though he was informed about a month back.
आज पळय सांगपाक म्हळ्यार म्हाका हें दिसता फील जाता आज आमी एक म्हयनो जालो इन्स्पेक्शन जाल्यार हिंगा डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान मामलेदार येयन आनी त्या नोटीसूच काडून म्हणटाय जे ऑपोजीट त्या मोनिका म्हणटा तेका पूण आजून तेंगे जायना. आज लोक हे बुडोवन सकाळ 5 म्हज्या घराक येयले तेंगे घर बुडोवन आसलोली आनी ऑप्शन ना म्हूण हांवें मुखेल लेपा गेलो हांवें तेंकां सरपंचा बी आपूण हांवें तेंकां आतां हें ओपन करून दिलां. एक्चुली हें डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान जे डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट तेंकां ते केल्यार कोण फोनवर कळना ही लॉस आमकां तेजे एक्शन घेतलो ऑलरेडी हांवें सीएमा नोट फोन केला तेंकां सगळ्यांक समोर आपूण म्हाका चोपा जाय हें कित्याक दवरलें तें हांकां आज हे कलेक्टर हें काम जायना लोकांक घर मोठ मोठे येता तुमी चोपाक
हें आमच्या पंचायती कडेन हँडल जायना म्हणून आमी काडलें आनी मामलेदारा जालें. मामलेदार हांगा आयलो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आयलो तरी ते कांयच डिसिजन घेनात. राती असो पावस पडिल्लो त्या कोतान उदक अशें भरलें जेन्ना हांव आयलो आनी पळोवपाक तेन्ना दिनभर वयर उदक जाल्लें सकाळीं आनी घरान बी उदक गेल्लें. दुसरें म्हणल्यार काल आमी ताका पंचायतीन नोटीस धाडिल्ली त्या जाग्या ओनराक बाबा तुवें हें केलें तें तूं 2 दीस भितर कितें म्हण तें निवळ कर नाजाल्यार आमकां एक्शन घेवचें पडटा म्हूण पंचायतीन. ताणें नोटीस घेवपाक रिफ्यूज केलें आपूण घेवपा ना म्हूण आपल्या आजोगादान सांगलें आपूण येवन घेतलो म्हूण अशें म्हूण सांगलें आनी आपल्या 7 दिसां टायम दिला की सांगपा लागलो खंय तो आमगे पिवनाक तें फकत सकाळीं पळयता उदक बोलत्या कारणान हांवें येवन पळयलें. हांवें ताचे पयलीं ताका सांगिल्लें बापरे हें भितर उदक भरून ब्लॉक जावन तर ही घर मोडलीं आनी कोणी मेलो जाल्यार तूं त्रासां पडटा म्हूण.
आज आमी पळयतात जे लोक जे आसात ते प्रत्येक पब्लीक म्हणटा की काम जायना काम जायना काम जायनात खंयच्या ऑफिसांत वच कामी म्हण ती जायनात. आज प्रत्यक्ष जो अनुभव येयले कडेन आसा तो म्हणल्यार MLA जो कुंकळचे MLA आसा तोणे आज सांगला की खंयच्या गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसाक या कलेक्टर ऑफिसाक खंयची कामां जायनात. आज जर MLA जर हें दिसलें जर आम आदमी लोकांक कितें दिसतलें. आज जे एक गुडी पारोडा हांगा एक घरा खातीर जी 3 घरां आसात त्या घराक उदक ब्लॉक केल्लें आनी तें उदक आज सकाळीं बरी रातचेर पावस काल खूब येयलो आनी त्या पावसान त्या घरांनी उदक गेलें आनी इमिजिएट रातभर काम करून पंचायत MLAचो स्टाफ MLA तुगेलो डेप्युटी कलेक्टराचे स्टाफ मामलेदार जॉयंट मामलेदार हांगा येवन इन्स्पेक्शन केले कडेन आसा. MLA एकूच म्हणटा की ऑर्डर काडटात पूण इम्प्लिमेंट करना. इम्प्लिमेंट करप कोणें हे जर बारीक जर मनशां जर अशें जालें जर आनी कितें आसा आनी हितून तो म्हणटा की आपूण जो कोण ही जी ऑर्डर काडली मामलेदार ताका आपूण सस्पेंड करतलो. ऑलरेडी सीएमा कडेन उलयला, सीएमान नोटय घातला, कलेक्टराक सांगला आनी जी ही कोण ऑर्डर काडली आपूण इम्प्लिमेंट केलें ना तेजेर एक्शन आपूण घेतलो अशें जो कुंकळेचे MLA आसा क्लाफा डायस हेणी सांगले कडेन आसा. गोवा 365 खातीर गुडी पारोडा साकून रमेश नायक रावत.
The Congress moved the courts alleging that a FIR be registered against 10 BJP MLA for forgery of documents. A police complaint had been filed at Panji police station on April 20th against the MLAs. The matter has been posted for hearing on 23rd June.
The GPCC President Girish Chodankar, who is the petitioner before the High Court on disqualification of the 10 MLAs, moved a criminal miscellaneous application praying for registration of FIR against the 10 MLAs and others who signed the allegedly forged documents for action. The petition alleged offences under sections 192, 193, 199, 200, 209, 463, 465, 468, 471, 473, 476, 120, etc. of the Indian Penal Code. The FIR calls for action against MLAs Chandrakant Babu Kaulikar, Isidore Fernandes, Nilkant Halanka, Jennifer Montserrat, Antonio Fernandes, Francisco Silveira, Wilfred Disa, Clafas Dias, Philip Rodriguez, Atanasio Montserrat. The proposer of the resolution, Prasad Amonkar, seconder Jitendra Gaonkar, and 53 other persons. Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa Forward has criticized the government, alleging that there is a failure of law and order after the news of a 1-month-old baby being kidnapped from outside the Goa Medical College. Meanwhile, the police are investigating leads at Salili on the issue.
Goa Forward's Women Wing President Advocate Ashma Syed pointed to the failure of the law and order in the state and demanded a full-fledged Home Minister.
क्राइम दिसान दीस वाडपाक लागला. मर्डर जावपाक लागला, रेप ऐकू येता आणि आता किडनॅपिंग हे गोंयांत चलपाक लागला. कंप्लीट फेलियर ऑफ लॉ अँड ऑर्डर. म्हाका दिसता की लॉ अँड ऑर्डर नाच गोंयांत. इट्स अ कंप्लीट कोलॅप्स ऑफ लॉ अँड ऑर्डर. आमचे होम मिनिस्टर आमचो करता कितें? Is he too busy in counting his mining trips? And we demand that की ये तांचे सर्च ऑपरेशन सुरू तेंच्यांनी केला आनी आमी बेगीन ते बेगीन हो एक्यूज्ड अरेस्ट जावचो आनी सीएमान लक्ष घालचे, सीएमान टाइम स्पेंड करचे होम मिनिस्ट्रीचेर rather than getting too busy in counting his mining trips.
A baby was kidnapped from outside the GMC allegedly by a woman, say sources citing footage. The police had traced her to Mapsa.
मैं ललिता शबर हूँ. मेरा बेटा का 1 महीना का और आज 1 महीना 11 तारीख को वो मैं गार्डन में था तो भाभी ने हाँ के समोसा लेने के लिए भेजा था. तभी लेने गई तो तभी नहीं था. इधर उधर भेज के लिए GMC.
The police have retraced the steps taken by the woman on how the baby was kidnapped. The woman is supposed to have taken a pilot to Porori and then the bus to Mapsa. From there she disappeared. However, police investigations have apparently led them to Salili. However, the health minister said there is no lapse from the GMC side, nor was there any kidnapping in the GMC itself.
In a shocking incident, a 20-year-old killed his sister at Nagoa. In another incident at Mazorda, one carpenter murdered his colleague early this morning.
A complaint was lodged at the Anjuna police station that one Shekappa Lamanai from Kadag in Karnataka murdered his older sister, 26-year-old Anasuya, at Nagoa. In the second incident, Shubhankar Jana killed his colleague Ravindranath Sharma at Majorda. Both were working at a carpentry workshop. The incident took place early in the morning. The Goa police arrested the accused. Sandeep Kamulkar and Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Mapsa and Salset.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Residents of Holland Isorsi in the Velsau Panchayat have raised their voices against the proposed garbage-related material recovery facility on the hill above residential area. Residents argued that toxic waste will flow down with the rainwater, reach the houses below and cause health hazards.
Residents also alleged that many trees were cut for the project. They also said that the project would destroy nature and wastewater from the facility will contaminate the beaches and the well that are being used by the people. Residents have demanded that the project be cancelled.
It's a development created by Alcon, and this whole development is called Rangvi Estate Phase 2. And in this development, there are two open spaces. One is over there and one is here. The open spaces are actually part of this whole development, this private residential. It's a residential development. And we suddenly, without any notice, we were given to understand now this is a garbage material recovery facility. In fact, at the beginning when I moved in here, I was told by the Panch that, in the open spaces we can have gardens and, play areas. That's the whole idea of having open spaces. But having a material recovery facility for the whole of Welsam resourcing, why in this private residence?
गार्बेज प्लांट येता जो कितें आमकां खबरच ना गांवच्या लोकांक आनी तर सपोज तो येयलो हांगा जाल्यार फूल ग्रीनरी वयतली हॉलांची आनी मेन म्हणल्यार सकल रिसोर्स आसा उदक आसा जे आमी बांयचें उदक पितात तें उदक पोल्यूट जातलें मेन मागीर बीच आसा बिचाकूच तें उदक सकयल वयतलें तो मेन थिंग स्लोप आसा स्लोपाचेच करता ते सो सगळें उदक तें सकयल वयतलें सो नेचर काबार जातलो सगळो मेन म्हणल्यार तो नेचर आमचो ग्रीनरी फूल काबार जातली.
The open spaces will be used for beautification, but that is not the case. A garbage storage facility is coming up, which is totally against the rules. You cannot have it, first of all, in a private property, and especially when the people do not want it. We have conveyed our wishes to the panchayat, who is overlooking it, and they have no right to do it without our consent.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Welsam.
Alleging substandard work, the Sada Jetty Bogda Kabristan Committee on Saturday told G Suda that if they cannot complete the work of the works of Sada Kabristan in a proper way, then they should hand it over to them and they will do the needful.
Committee President Nazir Khan on Saturday hit out at the Marmagua Municipal Council, alleging that the inauguration of the burial ground at Sada on Goa Statehood Day by the MMC was an eyewash. Khan said that the leakage of works in Kabristan office had been pointed out to GSUDA and they had not been taken into confidence about the work.
रिनोवेशन करते करते वो लोग ने 10 साल लिया कि आज तक हम लोग को वो लोग ने कब्रिस्तान हैंड ऑन नहीं किया. अब यानी कि बहुत कंप्लेंट के बाद में हम लोग ने लोकल एमएलए को जी सोडा ऑफिस में जाके कंप्लेंट किया, लेकिन फिर भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं हुआ. एक बार हम लोग का लोकल एमएलए मिलिंद नायक अपना मेजोरिटी दिखाने के लिए वो साइट पे आया था और उस साइट के बाद में हम लोग ने उसको टोटल हमारा चीज़ बताया था कि बाबा ये जो रेनोवेशन किया है नॉट अप टू मार्क, पूरा लीकेज हो रहा है, ऑफिस बैठने के लिए कुछ नहीं. उसने हम लोग को एश्योरेंस दिया था कि जी सोडा का इंचार्ज को लाके कि विद इन 1 मंथ में हम लोग कंप्लीट करेगा. उसके बावजूद भी मिलिंद ने आज 6 महीना हुआ हम लोग को पोजीशन नहीं दिया. जब स्टेट रोड डे सेलिब्रेट किया तो वो लोग ने पेपर पे डिक्लेयर किया कि हम लोग ने कब्रिस्तान भी ओपन किया बोल के. मैं कब्रिस्तान ओपन करने के लिए उन ऑड बेसिस से वो लोग ने ओपन किया, ना हम लोग को कमेटी को इंटीमेट किया. सिंस आई एम द प्रेसिडेंट, मैं प्रेसिडेंट हूँ उस कमेटी का, ना मेरे को इंटीमेट किया, ना हम लोग को बताया गया. ये जो गवर्नमेंट प्रीमाइसेस ने वो लोग ने ओपन किया, इट्स आई वॉश, पब्लिक के लिए आई वॉश है और हमारे कमेटी के लिए आई वॉश है. हम लोग कंडेम करते हैं जो मिलियन का जो चेयरपर्सन ने डिक्लेयर किया था कि कब्रिस्तान ओपन हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. उधर काम कुछ नहीं हुआ, इनकम्प्लीट काम है. सिर्फ पब्लिक को दिखाने के लिए ये लोग चाल खेला है कि बाबा कब्रिस्तान ओपन किया बोल के. मैं हमारे लोकल एमएलए को बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो जल्द से जल्द हमारे कब्रिस्तान हम लोग को हैंड ओवर करो, जी सोडा को इम्प्लीमेंट करो कि बाबा ये चीज़ क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, काय के लिए नहीं हो रहा है. अगर तुम लोग के पास नहीं हो रहा है, गवर्नमेंट के पास नहीं हो रहा है, हम लोग को कमेटी को वापस दे. वी गॉट अ कैपेसिटी टू डू द रिनोवेशन.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
And now for the weather. A low pressure area has formed over North Bay of Bengal and neighborhood on 11th June. It is likely to become more marked during the coming 24 hours and move west-northwestwards across Odisha, Jharkhand and North Chhattisgarh during the next 2 to 3 days. There will be heavy rain in Goa from 13 to 15 June, but expect rains for another 6 or so days, says IMD.
The movement of above mentioned low pressure area, the existing offshore thorough, and the strengthened westerly winds along the west coast are going to result in continued rainfall activity over Konkan and Goa. Heavy to very heavy rainfall, 115.6 to 204.4 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours, is very likely with scattered distribution over North and South Goa districts during this period. Also, extremely heavy rainfall higher than 204.4 millimeters in 24 hours is very likely at one or two places over North Goa and South Goa districts on 13th and 14th June. Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch it all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.